Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up recurring payments or direct debits for Aviva insurance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up your recurring payments or direct debits for Aviva insurance, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in Aviva login. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first link, that is my Aviva link, and then once you're inside here, you'll be transferred to the login portal of the Aviva. Then here what you need to do is enter in your email or username, and then once done, enter in your password, and then once that's done, tap on login. Now once you're logged in, what you need to do is you'll see a list of policies like life insurance, car insurance, home insurance, and travel insurance. Tap the policy you want to set up recurring payments for. Then once that's done, find the payment options or set up direct debit. Look for menu options such as payment settings, manage payments, set up direct debit, recurring payments, and then simply tap set up direct debit. Then once that's done, enter your bank details, input your bank account number, sort code plus account number from UK accounts, select payment frequency from monthly, quarterly, and annually, and then confirm the start date of your direct debit. And then once that's done, simply confirm and authorize by reviewing the details, amount, frequency, bank account, and then tap on confirm or set up direct debit. And some accounts may require online banking verification as well. The next step is to confirmation. You will receive email confirmation of the direct debit setup, updated policy statement showing the recurring payment, and payments will now be automatically deducted on the selected dates. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.